I'm in airplane mode, I don't need no drama. Everybody know I ain't about that drama.
Hey beauties, it's D Beauty here, also known as Shyhaze, and I'm back with another video. So this video today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my acrylic nails at home, featuring the Mia's Secret system. So definitely stay tuned and let's get right into this video. But first, follow me on Instagram at DBeautyForever, also on Snapchat at beautiful_haze, spelled with 2 E's. And don't mind the nail polish around my cuticles, I remove it later with some acetone. So first what we're doing is actually removing all of the shine off of my natural nail using this 180 and 100 nail grit that I got from Target, or you can get from any beauty supply store, of course, even online, Amazon, wherever. So just make sure you remove all of the oils off of your natural nails, because this is what's going to make your nails stay on longer and won't have any lifting. Okay, so after I remove all of the shine off of my nail beds, then I'm actually going to take this cuticle pusher and push my cuticles back. I got mine from my local beauty supply store. You could get yours from Target, Amazon, anywhere where they have nail supplies. And I'm going to show you guys the nail tips that I like to use. So these are actually full cover tips, but I like to use them as halfway tips. And you're gonna see me get my sizes and arrange them in order from my thumb. And when you do this, you want to make sure that you have a nail tip that fits your nail perfectly. You do not want it too small because your nails will pop off, and you don't want it too big because then it will overflow your natural nail. If your nail tip is too big, then you do want to make sure that you file the sides down so that way it fits your natural nail perfectly. And now you can see me, I'm just applying my tips on my pinky, and I'm using my 30-second kiss glue. As you can see, I alternate between hands, so I'll do my pinky on my left and my pinky on my right, and then I'll go that whole method throughout both of my hands until I reach my thumbs. So once I'm done applying all of my tips, then I do go back in with my file and I make sure that I shape my nails the way I like them. I like to do a thicker coffin shape, so that will be more of a tapered square. And you want to make sure that you do 45-degree angles on both sides to make sure that the nail tip is going in towards, and then hold your nail file 180 degrees to make sure that the tip of your nail is very straight. Also, I'm showing you that you can use a straight edge nail clipper in order to cut the sides of your nail and then file it to make the process go faster. And you can use that method if you're doing a ballerina nail or a stiletto nail. And I am going to be doing this on all of my nails, of course, on both hands. So once I'm done with that, then I'll get back to you guys to show you the finished look. So these are my nails after I finish shaping them, and now we're going to get right into the acrylic. Again, what I'm using today is the Mia Secret acrylic. I'm using a natural pink, and this is the monomer that I'm using as well. Okay, so this is the brush that I'm using. So I actually ordered a number 8 brush, but they sent a number 6, so this brush is very tiny. And the first step is going to get some monomer in the acrylic, create the perfect bead, and I like to apply this in between the tip as well as my cuticle. And this is going to help us start to build that apex or arch, if you want to call it, and that's going to make the nail very sturdy and very strong. And we do want that nail to be very strong, since our nails are typically longer than average. So I typically use the 4 bead method in order to create the perfect acrylic nail. And then what I do is get another bead, and my second bead is usually closer to the cuticle itself. But you do not want the acrylic to overflood your cuticle. That means your nails will lift, and you do not want that at all in order for your nails to stay on for a very long time. And then I'm going to keep adding my beads. You're going to see I do one closer to the tip of the nail because we do want that part to be sturdy as well. And then I will go back in and add another bead in the middle between my first bead and the third bead. When applying acrylic to your nails, you do want to make sure that you're looking around your whole nail and you're moving your finger around at different angles to see if you have any empty spaces or any lumps, and you just want to fill that in. Even if it's a smaller bead, even if it means you're up to an 8th bead, it's okay. You just want to make sure that your nails are going to look perfect. They don't have to be, because we are going to go in and file a little bit though, but just make sure that you do have a nice base of an acrylic. So I'm pretty much done applying most of the acrylic to my nails. I'm going to add in this beautiful glitter to some accent nails that I'm going to be doing. And this I actually got from AliExpress. They were about literally 70 cents for those. And I like to get a small bead of acrylic and then dip that little bead into the glitter itself. I'm just going to brush this on. We're going to have the glitter a little bit scarce, just for a nice little accent. And I'm going to do that to my ring finger and my pinky, and we're going to create the perfect capsulated glitter nail. Okay, so to start the capsulation process, I'm actually going to put some more acrylic on top of the glitter, and this is going to hold the glitter in between the 2 layers. So once we start doing some more filing, the glitter will not be touched or compromised. We're only going to be filing on the acrylic itself. And again, I'm going to do this process for both of my accent nails. Okay, so we're done doing the capsulation process and all of the acrylic. Now it's time to refile our nails, and this is definitely important, so that way you have the perfect shape. I know I say perfect a lot in this, but if you want your nails to look perfect, these are the mandatory steps you would definitely have to do. So you want to file your nails after you apply the acrylic, because they can get bulky and out of shape. And make sure that you do file around the cuticle, so that way you don't have any overflow of acrylic on your cuticles as well, or on your skin. And I am using a hand file to do this, but if you are more experienced, you can use a nail drill to do that, and use a 180 sanding band on that nail drill in order to have a very smooth nail. I'm doing it by a file just for those who are now beginning and now using it. And this is the finished product of how my nails look after I finish filing. And now I'm just going to buff it with my buffer and clean my nails with an alcohol pad just to get any dust off. You could wash your hands, but I like to go in with an alcohol pad. And this is how my nails look, all clean, free of dust and everything. This is so pretty. You could finish this off with just some clear gel on top, or you could finish it with just a very nice top coat. But now I'm going to actually go in and make some ombre nails. You want to do a white on a top of a cosmetic sponge, and then I'm going to do a nude. You can definitely switch up the colors if you want, but I just wanted something very simple and very classic to show you guys how to do it. Then you're just going to dab this on the nail to create the perfect ombre look. You could do as many coats, but I'll say 2 should always be enough, just for a very nice simple look, depending on how opaque your nail polishes are as well. And then I finish this off with a top coat on all of my nails, and this is a gel top coat that I'm able to cure for about 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, this is the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at dbeautyforever. Comment down below if you guys do want to see another video of me doing my nails with builder gel rather than acrylic.